on to this is the kitchen. Let me go ahead and turn the light on. So this is the door to the outside deck. This is a kitchen. This is where the kitchen sink's gonna be at, and so it's a small kitchen. So this is bedroom number 1. This is the main entrance for bedroom number 1, which is right here. And then this is a bedroom. You have a nice closet, walk-in closet. And then this is a door, can be locked. And then this is the kitchen. And this way is the living room. Right here is the living room. And then this is still a living room, sitting area, whatever. Then this is the laundry area right here. This is the washer. It's gonna be hooked up, and the dryer is gonna be on this side. And then you will have a little separation. But other than that, this is the living room, and this is bedroom number 2 is over here. It got its own entrance to the outside. It's the main door. You have a small closet here, or it could be a washer hookup, but that's an option. But for now, it's going to be used as a closet right here. And so this is a bedroom. And then that door is coming to the kitchen and living room, and then it's have its own bathroom. And then, so that's the bathroom right here. Small, but we have the door here to the kitchen and to the living room coming. So this is it. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, and common living room and kitchen, and then outside deck. So this is what it looks like. And and then right here maybe. See, it has a church peak. What would they call that? I forget what it was called, but cathedral. Yeah, I think it's cathedral. That's what it's called. But anyway, yeah, this needs to be